Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today is a beautiful day. Grab your hot cup of coffee and let's get straight into the video. What Ekster wallet is going to be better for your needs? We have a special one right here. We're going to unpackage in just a second here. That's one of their new colors, and we'll get to this little package here as well. Let's start with the Senate. The Senate wallet is kind of a hybrid between the aluminum card holder and the Parliament card holder right here. So the Senate gives you a cash strap and, of course, a push-up button for all your cards here. Just what it comes with right there. Pack that on in. So you have the push button, fans out your cards. You have the cash strap right here. You can put more cards right there. Cash, flipping it around. A very minimalistic look for either cash cards right here. And then you could put something down the pipe of the Senate right here. But you can remove this from the Senate if you want to go just bare leather. Pushing up on the button here, fans out your cards exactly as we see right here, and pop them back into play when you're ready to go. Again, cash would go right here. Now let's look at the Parliament. Okay, the beautiful Parliament right here. Absolutely stunning leather. Stitching, E-logo, and the Parliament is going to give you the most room out of all the Ekster wallets. In the description box right below the video, top link will be the Ekster link where you guys can read more about these products and pick them up yourself after the video is done. They have so many different colors, styles, wallets, travel bags, you name it. So again, top link in the description box below, because you have the expandable flap here, which this is all attached, so there's no pulling off, just the card holder with the expansion port as we just saw on the Senate. Same method applies. Push up button fans out all your cards right here. Very, very nice. Let me put my shopper's card back here so we can whip that on out. Pop that back in, whip it back out, put it in the front if you want. Absolutely fantastic. Additional space right here and additional space in the back as well of the Parliament. This would be a great wallet for somebody who has more cards, fishing license, Costco card, some coupons, some stuff they just can't live without. Then go with the Parliament cash strap right here. Folds up. Now that is a lot of cash. Typically I would never go out with this much cash. There's some like 1s and 5s that you probably definitely don't need. But if you do take that much cash, just understand that it will add to the thickness of it. Of course, that will compress down, but just giving you a heads up about that. And if you are curious, you could push it up just like that, so you actually don't even have to open it up and do that. You literally can keep the cover right on, pull out your shopper's card, debit card, pop it back into play as we just saw. It's a great wallet. Now, ladies and gentlemen, on to the Cadillac of all Eksters is their 18 karat gold plated steel thumb button right here. Overall, a stunning wallet. You have your expansion plate right here, your cash strap right here. Of course, your cards, same method applies. Pop it back in. Cash underneath, cash on top. As we can see here, again, you have your RFID plate, expansion plate. You don't have to have that on if you don't have to, but all of their aluminums, carbon fiber wallets, the gold wallet does have that, but the band is a little tight, but it does come off. Expansion plate where you can hide your cash underneath if you don't want to flash it, or more cards underneath the plate. But again, you don't have to have that plate on there if you don't want to. It's up to you if you want to just go very, very minimalistic with just the card holder, no cash strap, and carry it this way. Or ditch the plate, put back on the band, and then you could carry cash like this, or put the expansion plate back on. Now, I do want to show you one of their really sweet small utility tools, and this thing is really nice. How many times, I know new cell phones don't have SIM cards, they're eSIMs now, but if you do have an older phone, then you got your SIM tool, which has a magnet to lock that into place like that right there. So you have a SIM tool, small little measuring line right here, centimeters and then inches. Inches on that side, centimeters right here. You have a bottle opener right here. Not really sharp edges, but I mean, if you were in a really pinch, I mean, again, that's not sharp at all, but I guess that could come in handy if you somehow needed to whittle some wood or whatever. And then I'm not exactly sure what this is. Maybe for different screws or rope, survival rope or something. Now, if you are going to be carrying this with your wallet, I would actually slip it underneath the cash strap on one side or the other. I don't believe it's meant to go inside the wallet. It can, but it will slip out. It's not meant to go inside. So anyway, that's definitely a cool accessory there. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to briefly show you their newest color. This is the aluminum card holder in the gunmetal. And I won't show it this video, but stay tuned. I have got my hands on their carbon fiber one as well. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel for that. So this is what you get right out the bat with a brand new product. You got the box right here. Get out the gunmetal and take it for a little look-see. Very simple product packaging, very nice. And that is a great color. Gunmetal gray with your black cash strap right there. Flipping it around to your, this is not really black. It looks black on camera, but it's like a really dark gunmetal. So this would be like your light gunmetal, and then this would be your dark gunmetal expansion plate right here, because this is black, if you can see the difference on camera here. So jet black, dark gunmetal, and a light gunmetal. And of course, flipping up our cards right there with our push button. And of course, everything is the same, nothing different. Pushes up, goes in the back, goes in the front, whatever you want to do. But what I typically do is you put the most used card on the front or on the back for easy access. I mean, it's real simple to grab the third one if you really want. I mean, 1, 2, and 3 would be the blue. So just raise it up. I won't obviously pop that out, but there's your third one, your fourth one, etc. It's a really nice display how they pop your cards out like that. And of course, with the cash strap on the gunmetal, same as the 18 karat gold plated one. Now again, the 18 karat gold plated one is the Cadillac of the Eksters. It has the upgraded steel thumb button, but overall difference between the carbon fibers and the aluminums, same design will apply for those. The Senate comes in so many different colors. We've already looked at that one. And again, the Parliament, which is going to be your most advanced extra storage unit on the Parliament. That's just a gorgeous color of leather. Hopefully this is clarified. A few questions you might have for which particular one you want to purchase yourself or get as gifts for your family members. Depends when you're watching this. You might have a dad's birthday coming up, Father's Day, holiday period. Again, depends on when you're watching this. If you want to get your hands on any of these wallets, read more about their products, top link once again in the description box right below the video. Click on that link, head over there and check out the wallets. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, as well as DIY van builds, tech videos, cute puppy videos, and more. Again, your link is in the description box below the video. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.